wondering, it has been shipped. Let's go. Well, today we have awesome suspension mods for the 300. This is something I've been meaning to buy for the longest time. Let me explain to you guys why. My tires, I think the most exciting part about this, I want to show you how thick these tires are. These are 305s. The stock tires that the 370 comes with are 275s. Since the whole setup isn't really stock anymore, I don't know if you can see it, but I get like a little unwanted camber on the sides. You can see it right there. And I mean, although my fitment has always been really good, like this let me show you guys. This goes on the bottom and lets you align the fitment of the wheel up. Right now it's kind of like this. We want it to be like this. This should be everything we need. But if you guys are wondering, these are actually from MaXpeedingrods. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I'm pretty sure you guys can get 8% off every order over $200 if you guys simply use the code DannyZ. So yeah, trying to hook you guys up. It's got adjustment on the top, the bottom, and that's pretty much all you need. But yeah, let's get started. We gotta take this wheel off and then we're gonna go to the other side. And if you want to research it, these are actually called toe arms. I don't think I said that, but bro, these are some thick boys. Whew. I haven't seen wheels this thick in an extremely long time. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. That's crazy. Oh, by the way, if you guys have ever wondered, that's what I'm rocking. H&R springs. That's why my car sits kind of low. Right now you can't see. This thing right here, all the way back. All right, not gonna lie, this is actually day 2 of doing this project. Yesterday, as soon as I took the wheel off, I had to stop because something came up, but we're gonna get this done real quick. You already jacked the car up again, put the wheel back on. Now we're gonna take it back off and then should be good. All right, so things are actually pretty simple. We got one bolt all the way back here. You can see it right there. That's a 17 mil. This one's the easiest one. It's a 19 mil, I believe, or yeah, 17 mil, 19 mil. And we got it. I sort of already broke it. I didn't film it, but it's already loose. It wasn't that hard, but make sure the night before, try to like W40 these 4 bolts or these 2 bolts. It's gonna help out the process a lot. So I basically cracked this side, and then it got like super hard because the breaker bar I didn't have enough leverage, so I just went to this side and then I pushed down, cracked this side, and then just did it from this side instead of this side. I might stick with the OEM bolts, but I think these are bigger, so you can actually adjust it. Yeah, these. Let me see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are bigger. Yep. But I might use this. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, look at that Tome though. Look at that Tome. You see, man, just flames coming down from over there. Bam, 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 bam. Fireball. And I completely missed it, but I had to hammer that bolt back there hard because it had nothing to hold it against this. And every time I hammered it, it was kind of moving the whole thing instead of just the bolt. There we go. And the reason, alright, so the reason why we took those sway bar bolts out so we can move it is so we could take this long bolt from the back. Alright, with that said, there we go. Let's go, baby. We got some serious adjustment to do, but this one is so much heavier than this one. Like, it's a good amount heavy, which is good. I mean, the stronger the heavier, the more mass it has, the better. But yeah, so we gotta go ahead and adjust this to the sort of like the exact height as the stock one. All right, we're almost there. All right, let's see. A little more, I would say. Alright, I think that's it should be pretty simple. Just reverse. We're gonna start on the front, I think. Yeah, we're gonna start on the front and then we're gonna go to the back. Also, if you guys are new, go ahead and subscribe. And if you haven't already and you're watching this into the video, smash that like. Alright, so we're gonna put this back first and then in. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright, everything's pretty much tightened up. You can see right there. Make sure you tighten these up. The one on that side. One thing that I've always thought of, like, our aftermarket sway bar is worth it for this car. I mean, I know it makes your car handle better, but let me know if any of you actually have it and if they're worth it. Yo, I got a nail in my tire. No. I have had this car for 3 years. I have had this car for about 8 months. I have never in my life gotten a nail in my tire. That really sucks, dude. No. Yeah, that's a cold start. Bro, how does it go from being sunny to freaking raining? That's pretty good. I mean, feels the exact same. Drivability doesn't really change. This just to fix your camber, and I think I did a pretty good job kind of just eyeballing it, so really good. I want to drift. All right, we good. Oh my gosh! Was that a pop from the exhaust? Wait, what? Was actually an exhaust pop. It wasn't the thing that we just installed, which, by the way, they're called toe arms or camber arms. They seem fine. Just checked on them. That was extremely scary. But now we're gonna go to another place that I go to every vlog, sadly. Damn it. Moment of realization. I just came to put gas and I forgot my wallet. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video right here. I'm just gonna go home, get the wallet, come back. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe. Be sure to click that notification bell because my uploading schedule is kind of messy right now, so you guys know exactly when I upload. Just push that notification bell, click on all to receive all the notifications for whenever I upload. If you want to go ahead, and I'm going to pick the 2 subscribers of the day right now. If you want to be subscriber of the day, you gotta be one of the first ones to comment. That's why I'm going all the way down to the last video's comment. Alright, shout out to Dom_Z34 and She Loves ZXO. Shout out to you guys for commenting. With that said, have a great day, boys. Love you all. Peace out. See you later. That was super weird. Alright, bye.